Why the lizard cannot talk and always nods. A long time ago, Lizard and Tortoise were best friends. They did everything together, but Lizard had one big problem. He could not keep a secret. He told everything he saw or heard. He once told his father that his mother took meat from the fire and she was banished. Later, he revealed that his father mistakenly killed the god's python, and his father was also sent away. Because of this, nobody wanted to be his friend, except Tortoise. One day, while playing in the farm, Tortoise accidentally threw a stick and hit the king's cow, making it blind in one eye. He was terrified. Their king was cruel. He had once killed his own son for breaking a mirror. Tortoise knew he would be in big trouble if the king found out. He pleaded with Lizard, "Please, my friend, don't tell anyone. The king will kill me." Lizard agreed. To thank him, Tortoise gave him beautiful wrappers, money, and took him to buy delicious food. But that evening, they heard the town crier. "The king's cow has gone blind. A great reward for whoever tells the king who did it." Lizard's eyes widened. He quickly walked faster, leaving Tortoise behind. He rushed to the king's palace and told the guard, "Tell the king I know who did it. Keep my reward safe. I will return in the morning." Tortoise was heartbroken. But he had a plan. That night, Tortoise cooked a delicious pot of soft, spicy chicken pepper soup, the way Lizard loved it. He took it to Lizard's house. The smell woke Lizard from sleep. "Is that my great friend, Tortoise?" Lizard called out. "Yes, I brought you your favorite meal," Tortoise replied. Lizard eagerly welcomed him. Tortoise smiled and said, "Let me feed you myself as a sign of our friendship." Lizard happily agreed. Tortoise fed him soft, juicy meat. Then, on the third bite, he had a sharp bone inside the meat. Lizard opened his mouth wide, snap. The sharp bone cut off his tongue. Lizard swallowed everything before he realized what had happened. He tried to speak, but no words came out. The next morning, Lizard still sneaked to the palace to report Tortoise. The king and his kinsmen were waiting. "Agama Lizard, tell us what happened to my cow's eye," the king roared. Lizard opened his mouth, no sound. He tried again, nothing. He could only nod his head up and down. "Abomination! He is nodding at the king," the kinsman cried. The king forgave him and said, "Speak now." Lizard tried again, but still, no sound came out. He only nodded. The king became angry and ordered the guards to flog him. Since that day, Lizard has been trying to tell people what happened to him. But no one understands, so he keeps nodding his head, hoping one day, sound will come out. And that is why, to this day, the lizard nods its head up and down but never speaks. The end.